grandma, if she used to be a wolf, and she used to be, whoo! And that's kind of what I'm getting off this. I'm not gonna lie.
Did she said, okay.
But this 15 years smells like Christmas.
Ooh.
So what I mean by that is a lot of nutmeg, a little pine, and a little vanilla caramel, or maybe a little sugar cookie. Yes, as I read a Christmas cookie. Goddamn Christmas cookie. Right here.
Like a sugar cookie. Like a, you know, one of the ones that you decorate with frosting. You know, it is what it is. Deep sound.
Get in the flask.
Get in the flask. Caliana, get in the flask.
I don't think I'm fit.
Get in the flask. Get in the flask. Oh my god.
I don't think that's a flask.
That's a bottle.
It's a bottle.
Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lie.
This is a mixture of all your horse shit.